Hello, thanks for dropping in. I put in a cartridge, radar rat race, and there seem to be issues. It's in. It's not really starting. I'm going to give it just a little bit of a tweak. No, that does not look good. Alright, I'm going to take it right out. Oh, well, I wiggled it some. Nope. That's not good. Alright, so does this mean there's something wrong with the cartridge? Or something wrong? Well, I'll have to try. Take that out. I will put a different. I've been. Oh, here. Locked. What have I done? Alright, this other cartridge just came apart in my hand. I'm not sure if I should try and put this in or not. Okay. Then I knocked the phone a little. So I'll move that back a bit. I'll turn this on. Ooh. Action Adventure Series. Insert disc. Press return. Yeah, well, as beautiful as that sounds, I do not have the disc handy. So, but I know, at least, that this machine is seeming to be working. Although it was before. So, radar rat race. Let's try it one more time. Oh, there we go. Okay. Does it really only run on the keys? No, not possible. F1 to run. I'm going to try. No, I'm using the joystick. What did I do? That didn't go well. Now, I think if I look on the map, I should be able to see where. Ah, there's a mouse. Where is the cheese? Oh no, that's a cat. That's a cat. Oh, there's cheese. Oh, game over. Beautiful, beautiful. All right, we're going to try that again. Okay, so the white dots on the map are the cheese. There is some cheese. And if I press the fire button, there's a cat. There's a cat. There's some cheese. If I press the fire button, it puts down some kind of. Oh no, there's a it puts down some kind of thing. I know there's going to be a mouse coming. I know it. Oh no. There's some cheese down here. How am I going to get there? I can't get there from here. Okay, now, how do I get out of here? I guess. What is that? my time running out? Damn. Why does it feel like I'm going faster? Watch the big screen. Okay, there's the cheese. There's a mouse. There should be cheese down here. Ah! Game over. I was doing better that time. That is disturbing. Alright, there should be cheese close by. Except that. Oh no, not that thing. This is going to be trouble. There's going to be a mouse. Oh! Mice everywhere. Oh, God. Why don't I just walk right into them? Yeah, that went well. Oh my God. Alright, let's try one more time. We're gonna run. And we're gonna run. There is some cheese. There is some cheese. There's a cat. There's some cheese. Woohoo, got some cheese. Oh no. Okay, now we're cooking with gas. I think there's some cheese. There's some cheese. There's gotta be more up here. Ah! This cat. Where am I? Alright, I think there's just one left. And it's at the bottom. And these guys are kind of following after me. Damn it! Is that the last one? Oh! Look at that. I made it through the first round. I don't think I've done that in like 30 years. Okay, I saw cheese, and I also saw mice. Well, that went better than most games. Thanks for coming. I'll see what other games we can find. By the way, this is a cartridge game. Bye for now.